Well, hello and welcome back. I hope you all had a lovely weekend. Okay, today we're making sour cream and cheese scones. So the first thing we want to do is preheat our ovens at 220 degrees Celsius. Then we need to grab out a baking tray. Now I'm only using the baking paper because this tray is really old, and it seems like the older the trays are, the more things stick to it. True that. Okay, once we've got those two ready, I will write the recipe below as always for you guys. Now into a large bowl we want to sift 2 cups of self-raising flour. Now we just set that aside for a minute. Now our cheese, we need 125 grams of cheddar cheese and we need it grated finely. If you can't get one of these and say you've got a bag of grated cheese, like tasty grated cheese or something, whatever cheese you can get your hands on, pull it out and chop it up a lot smaller. That's the best way you can do it. So I'm going to grate it up with my little grater that I always buy to grate my lemon rind up with. These you can get absolutely anywhere. The little IGAs and Foodlands, they do them there. You just go and find wherever you get your egg flips and your tongs from, and you'll find them there somewhere. Then they're really great to have and they're cheap. Alright, so I'm just going to grate mine into the flour, but you can grate it on a plate or in one of those bowl things that they come with and then chuck it in here. It doesn't matter either way. And then I'm just going to mix it through. Once we've done that, we want a pinch of cayenne pepper. So you basically pick it up, pinch it and drop it in. And just a little sprinkle of salt. Alright, now we mix that through and set it aside. Now we want 1 egg and we want to whisk it into a small bowl. And then we want to measure out 1/2 cup of sour cream. Once we've done that, we now need to get 60 grams of butter, unsalted, into a saucepan. We want to put it on the lowest possible heat and just melt it down. Now our butter's melted, we want to put our sour cream in there and mix it through. Once that's mixed through, it doesn't have to be perfect. We want to put our whisked egg in there and mix that in. Now we want to pour that mixture into our flour, and then we want to mix it up until it all clumps together. Alright, once you've got nothing dry left and it's all like clumpy like this, just get your hands and put it all into a bowl kind of thing. Okay, once we've done that, we just want to put a little bit of flour on the surface. Stick our ball on it. Just put a little bit on top. Yeah, the less you work with it, the better they are. Okay, pat it down. And we want to just pat it down with the palms until it gets to roughly 2 centimeters. Like thick, you know. If it sticks to your hands at all, put a bit more flour on, but I'm usually fine with it. Okay, when you get it to roughly that, we want to use a 5 centimeter cutter, so 5 centimeters across there. If you haven't got one, just something reasonably small. Alright, cut them out. Stick them on our tray. Then you just roll this back up again and do the same thing. Don't work it too much, just get it into a thing again. And just keep going until there's nothing left. Now when you want to put them on the tray, you want them all touching. Now we just get a little bit of milk, and either with a pastry brush or your fingertips, you just want to cover them. Now our oven is nice and hot. We bang them in there until beautiful golden brown. 12 minutes later in my electric oven. Oh mate, there's smell up in here. I don't know if you can see this, but oh, you should see the height on these little bad boys. Now we want to serve them hot with butter. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Mate, these are to die for. Have yourselves an awesome day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Toodles!